Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to configure IPv4 SSL VPN on Cisco Ftd. This is our topology. Please understand the IP addressing and topology correctly, then start the configuration. This is the topology for IPv4 SSL VPN. We have Ftd connected with switch is connected with PC, switch is connected with ACS, FTD is connected with internet and remote user here. Okay, FTD IP will be here 247.10 FMC 247.80 window 1 192.168.101.100 ACS.200. Internet IP addresses are in front of you and remote user IP 102.1.1.2. So let's start the configuration here. First of all, let's configure internet 0 by 0, IP address 101 series, 0 by 1, 102 series, service DHCP, IP DHCP, pool lane network at /24 default gateway, IP DHCP excluded address, done. Do show run. DHCP configuration, IP addressing. Internet is ready. Okay, now let's go to ACS. Type setup, name ACS1, IP address 101.200/24, gateway 101.1, lab.local, DNS server, NTP server, time zone, enable SSH. Okay, you can use here Cisco ICE, but my laptop configuration is not too good. Okay, that's why I'm using here ACS because ICE required more resources like CPU, RAM, and hard disk space, but my laptop is not capable. That's why I'm using here ACS as a radius server. You can also use here Cisco ICE if your configuration support it. Now, username, admin, password, whatever you want to configure here. Okay, it is saying gateway ping failed. We know we have not configured. There is no need to retry. Press N and enter. There is no synchronization of NTP with NTP server because there is no NTP server. Just press N and enter. Okay, now we have configured internet with DHCP with IP addressing and ACS is installing. Now go to Windows 1, Window 1, IP 192.168.101.100, Gateway 101.1, and CPA.cpl. 192.168.101.100, Gateway 101.1. OK, OK, close, close, CMD, ipconfig/all. Its IP address 101.100, gateway 101.1. Minimize it. So we have configured here internet, ACS, and internet, ACS, and window 1. Now our task is FTD configuration. Go to FTD, admin, admin 123 with capital A, new password, yes, no, manual, OK. According to our topology, FTDIP 247.10.192.168.247.10/24 gateway 247.2 enter FTD1 DNS 8.8.8.8 domain lab.local. So we have configured here FTDIP 247.10. 247.10. Yes. Okay. Configure manager address 247.80. We are saying to FTD, we are configuring FTD. You will be managed by FMC. FMC IP address 247.247.80. Key will be Shiva. Registration key will be Shiva. Yes. Done. Now go to FMC. So till now, what we have done? Till now, we have configured internet. Internet is ready. ACS is ready. Window 1 is ready. And FTD is configured with FMC IP address. Now go to FMC. This is FMC 247.80. 247.80. Okay, now when you are doing here SSL VPN or any connect VPN here, make sure that your FMC should have smart license. Okay, you can get your smart license from Cisco smart license portal. Okay, from smart license portal you need to generate token. Okay, then copy that token and click register here. Then you can register your FMC with smart Cisco Smart Software Manager. And make sure when you are registering your FMC with your Cisco Smart Software Manager account, then it should have has export control feature should be enabled. This feature, export control feature, should be enabled here. Now go to devices here, click add devices and IP address 247 dot 247.10. Key will be Shiva. Default underscore policy network discovery. Check these boxes and register. Done. Now go to FTD. Now FTD is registered with FMC. Here you can see. Okay. Now we need to configure 0 by 0, 0 by 1. We need to configure IP addressing, routing, and policies, etc. Go to FTD. Select the interface 0 by 0. Inside, enable inside IPv4 101.1 inside interface, outside IPv4 /24. We have configured inside IP, outside IP, save it. Go to routing. After inside IP, outside IP, configure default route toward ISP. Routing, static route, add route, use outside interface for any IPv4 destination and next hop. Use outside interface for any destination, next hop, okay. Save it. We have configured here IP, addressing, routing. Now go to, after IP addressing routing, go to here. Okay, it is deploying pre-configuration, leave it. Now we have configured IP addressing and routing here. IP addressing and routing, done. Now go to VPN Remote Access, add SSL VPN, add the device, FTD1, next. Okay, we will use here AAA for authentication. Click here, add radius server group. Okay, for radius we are using ACS. Then IP 101.200 ACS, add IP address 192.168.101.200. Key will be SHIVA. Okay, or save. Then save. Done. For authentication, for authorization, for accounting, we will use here ACS. Then use IP pool. Click create. Click add. Name SSL VPN IP pool. Start IP 100.2 to 100.254 at /24. then save it, add it, okay, okay. After configuring these parameters, click next, add any connect image, browse, go to any connect image 4.6 for Windows, open, save, select the image, next, interface where the request will come, user will hit outside IP, that's why outside interface will be outside, which will receive the request certificate, click add SSL VPN self sign cert. Self sign certificate, parameters common name SSL VPN cert, save it. Then after assigning interface and certificate, click next. Your configuration is ready. Finish it. Go to policies, default policy, default action is here. Network discovery. Now we need to block, click rule or add rule. User will come from outside zone. It will go to inside zone. Source will be pool. Destination will be inside. Now we need to add a rule here. Outside to inside SSL VPN rule. Okay, traffic will come from outside. That will go to inside network. Add SSL VPN pool. That is 100.0. Done. Add inside network. That is 101.0. Done. Now SSL pool can be source and SSL VPN pool can be source and destination can be inside network. Allow. Now you can see here that from outside zone, from outside to inside only VPN subnet 100.0 can access inside network 101.0. Save it. Done. Then we need to go to system license, smart license. Okay, edit license, any connect plus, add, apply, any connect plus, then deploy, select device, deploy. Okay, what it is saying? Okay, it is saying reauthorize. First of all, deregister it. Now we need to register. We need token, copy the token and paste the token, apply. Done. Now your appliance is registered. Okay, in this way you can register your FMC registered. Okay, export control feature is enabled. Go to edit license and here go to any connect plus, then add, then apply. Done. Any connect plus enabled. Go to deploy, select device and deploy. Done. Deployment is successful. Now we need to go to FTD, FTD, System Support Diagnose CLI, show int IP brief, inside IP, outside IP, show running config route, default route, ping to inside PC, ping to ACS, ping to internet and internet user. Yes, you can see FTD can ping Windows 1, ACS and remote user. Let's try again. FTD to Windows 1 to ACS to remote user. Okay. Now show running config AAA server. We have tag name ACS. Okay. So 101.200. Now go to window, access your ACS, https 101.200. We are accessing ACS from window 1. ipconfig window 1 to ACS is reachable. Access it with the help of browser. ACS admin password is default DEFAULT. DEFAULT default new password. Enter. Login with new password. ACS admin new password. Install license. Browse. FTP data. Cisco ACS license. Install. Okay. We have configured ACS or AAA server on firewall. Now on AAA we will call the FTD. Go to network, AAA clients. When FTD will communicate with ACS, it will use 192.168.101.1. Add create client. Like FTD1. IP address of FTD will be here 192.168.101.1. We have here protocol radius. That's why when you are adding FTD at AAA server, we need to define protocol radius key SHIVA Shiva, verify it and submit. We have configured FTD as a AAA client on Radius server or ACS. Go to user and identity, go to users, create, Cisco, Cisco. We have user and we have here AAA client. Minimize it, minimize, go to ASA or FTD, test, AAA server, authentication, name is ACS, host 101.200, username Cisco, password Cisco. Done. Authentication is here. Successful. Now go to remote user. Hmm. So this is our remote user. Remote user can ping public IP, but it can't ping to internal resources. IP config, ping to internet working, ping to FTD working, ping to 101.100 not working, 200 not working. Now close it, open Firefox. We have configured here SSL VPN at outside interface, HTTPS public IP address of firewall, advanced, accept, username Cisco, password Cisco, download for Windows 4.6, save it, install it, run, run. Next, I accept, next, install, yes, finish, Now you can close this Mozilla session here, start any connect, hit to public IP 101.1.1.100, connect, change setting. Here, uncheck this, uncheck block connection to untrusted server, uncheck this, close it, connect again, connect anyway, username, Cisco, password, Cisco, connect anyway, connected. IP config 100.2. Now this can access internal resources like 101.100, one zero one dot two hundred, but it can't access internet. Reason, full tunnel VPN connection here we are using. Okay, go to out, print. We have two default routes here, one for internet, another for VPN. VPN default route metric is less, that's why all traffic is going to FTD. Okay, if you want to access internet as well as internal network at same time, we need to configure here split tunnel. How we can do this? Go to FTD, go to remote access, go to configuration, go to advanced, go to group policy, edit, use split tunnel, use split tunnel for blow traffic, use access list here. Okay, add only lane access, add inside network, allow only inside network 192.168.101.0, add, save. So only lane access, only inside network access, save it, done. Now save it, Then go to deploy, select device, deploy. It will take some time, so please have patience. Okay, done. Go to FTD, show running config, access list. So we have last ACL, show running config access list, only lane access. So this is the access list here. Show running config group policy, which we have here in group policy. Okay, ACL lane, only lane access 192.168.101.0. In default group policy, we have here split tunnel policy, tunnel specified, split tunnel network list, and ACL name. Now go to client, disconnect, and again connect. Connect anyway. Cisco, Cisco. Connect anyway. Connected. Now you can see we have internal network access, we have internet access, and route print. Now we have only default route for internet, but if we want to access internal network like 192.168.101.0, we will go through with VPN. Okay, so in this way, we can configure here SSL VPN or Remote Access VPN on Cisco FTD. Go to FTD, show VPN session database, AnyConnect, and here you can see username Cisco, IP address 100.2, public IP this one. Negotiated encryption algorithms information is in front of you. Done. So VPN session database, AnyConnect. Now disconnect it. Again try the same command. No active session. Connect. Connect anyway. Cisco. Connect anyway. Connected. Internal network access 101.100, 101.200. Internet CLS IP config. VPN IP 100.2. Go to firewall. Cisco 100.2. Done. In this way, we can configure here Remote Access VPN or SSL VPN on Cisco FTD. Thank you.